everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti
And Shruti, what's up, Joe?
what's up? What's up? You're looking very fresh.
Yes, एक दिन का ऐसे weekend out होके ना suddenly पूरा ऐसे
Oh, yeah.
nature has overtaken my soul.
Yeah,
So
she went
I'm
to the
good now.
mountains for a Jugnu
Yes,
festival.
not mountains, ghats.
Ghats, yeah.
Yes, ghats,
So,
yeah.
yeah,
Oh, those Jugnus were
fireflies.
too gorgeous. The fireflies, like, and they were responding to the music because there was like a live concert happening.
Mm,
And it was so beautiful because with that, every strum of that guitar, and it was very intimate setup, and the
mm,
whole music thing out in the open, sky ke niche, jungle ke beech mein, aur piche sab jagah jugnu hi jugnu. And with every, like I was saying, with every strum, they would all just light up in this rhythmic fashion.
mm.
You could literally, with like the correct notes, I could literally preempt कि अब कौन से area वाले जुगनू light up होंगे ज़्यादा because they were all responding to like different
The
different
vibrations.
notes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was so beautiful. And at one point there were so many of them. It
Mm.
was like how something glitters, like how when we look at something shimmery and we look at it and the shimmer travels wherever the light goes. It was like that. Like the whole valley was shimmering. And I was like, ye kya hai? So yeah, it was
Nature
very
is
beautiful.
so beautiful. Very
Yes.
nice. You're looking so fully energized by the Jugnus and their light. I love
Yes.
it.
Yes.
So let's now bring that energy to Blockbuster. Oh, did you hear?
Blockbuster.
Did you hear it at all this week?
हाँ नहीं टाइम नहीं मिला
I
यार
know.
लेकिन मैंने रील्स देखी हैं
Huh.
and there is this new format of reels that have come out especially on Zulfi's this thing which are amazing which are like probably the first time they Blockbuster की एक reel देखी थी जहाँ पे I think yesterday Zulfi shared it and he was talking about that how that's the moment they cracked the structure when they decided studio में बैठ के कि इसका structure ऐसा होगा and they are dancing they're like jumping and dancing to
Okay,
the
I saw
music and all. It was I'm sure you've
that
seen
was
that
so
was so
cute.
amazing.
I thought that is the best, like when you're in that childlike energy and you're
Yeah.
just bus. That is it. That is what it is. That I saw a little bit of, and then I put it off because I was like, I haven't seen the BTS, so I'm avoiding
हाँ,
seeing much of everything. But I
हाँ.
just the only thought I had when I saw that was, you have to be in that childlike state when you're being creative with that wonder and
I
awe and all that in the
I
room.
think there's no other way. I think when
There's
you
no other
get
way.
no, you get what you wanted, and
Yeah.
वो मिल जाता है. That happiness that one feels, it's like at its purest state.
Yeah.
And that pure state is the same. चाहे जब आप बच्चे थे when you used to get
Yeah.
happy and reach that pure state, or as an elder, like any time. I think that was so beautiful, joyous to watch.
Yeah.
I looked at that and I said, वाह 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 वाह, इसी का video बना देना चाहिए था एक और. So which
Yes.
they've literally done. I just
They've
lovely.
done. He's actually shared quite a few like
Yeah,
BTS
yeah.
dancing in the
Making.
studio when they're
Like literal
which
making ka videos, which are very nice.
love
I
it.
like. Yeah.
Never seen Zulfi in that zone, but it was lovely to see.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. So let's get to this. There is a lot. It's 23 minutes long, which is I think the longest so far of all the BTSs. But ठीक है, we are
That's
very
totally our jam. Because हम
exactly
ऐसे 5 मिनट के 4 मिनट के गानों पे अगर 1 घंटे का रिव्यू एंड रिएक्शन डाल सकते हैं तो
देख
दिस इज
सकते
टोटली
हैं.
अप आवर alley. This is
Exactly.
perfect.
It's our vibe. Let's do it. What is it? Doesn't say anything except yeah, BTS. Chalo. Ready for this
So let's get into
magical
it.
and maybe emotional journey? Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, play.
This is the biggest set in the history of Coke Studio.
Yeah.
इस शूट पे नॉर्मली जो होता है वो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है वैसे.
इस गाने की ना डीपर हार्ट में जो है कि आप दुनिया को अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करा रहे हैं और आप उसको कहते हो हाय आई एम अ ब्लॉकबस्टर. मेरे जहन में ना एक धमाकेदार सेलिब्रेशन आती है. सब खुश हैं, सब एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, ब्यूटिफुली केओटिक और नॉन स्टॉप सेलिब्रेशन. कि जो कल्चर्स इस टाइम पर प्रॉस्पर कर रहे हैं ना, जो कल्चर्स इस टाइम पे ब्लॉकबस्टर हैं, वो सारे के सारे कल्चर्स ना वो अफ्रेड नहीं है अपने आप से, अपनी शनाख्त से.
Yes.
मेरा नाम उमैर है. मेरी एज थी कोई 12-13 साल और मेरा म्यूज़िक में भी इंटरेस्ट था. मेरी आवाज़ अच्छी थी. तारीफ़ अपने आप से कर रहा हूँ लेकिन मेरी राइटिंग स्किल्स भी जो हैं वो अच्छी हैं. वालदा की तरफ से थोड़ी सी छूट थी, वो कहती थी कि चलो करो म्यूज़िक, कोई बात नहीं। लेकिन वालिद साहब मेरे जो थे वो इस चीज़ को पसंद नहीं करते थे। लेकिन बस इन्हीं हालात के अंदर मेहनत करते रहे हैं, छुप के आगे पीछे जैसे भी किया है, और आज आपके सामने हूँ। मैं असल में लाहौर में ही पैदा हुआ हूँ, बिल्कुल मैं उसी इलाके में बड़ा हुआ हूँ। यही एम है हमारा कि पंजाबी म्यूज़िक को एक वर्ल्ड वाइड दिखाया जाए, बताया जाए कि यार हम पंजाबी कितने खुले दिल के हैं, कितने पॉजिटिव हैं।
अच्छा, गाना बनते बनते ना हमें लगा कि यार इसमें ना एक ग्रुप ऑफ विमेन की आवाज़ चाहिए, लेकिन स्ट्रीट जिनके अंदर वो एक ऐसी रॉनेस और सच्चाई हो, अनफिल्टर्ड, बस जो हैं वो हैं। तो मैंने यूट्यूब पे गया, मैं कहा मैं सर्च करता हूँ कि शायद कुछ मुझे मिल जाए। तो मैंने जाके सर्च किया पंजाबी स्ट्रीट विमेन सिंगिंग। तो मुझे एक ग्रुप ऑफ विमेन मिला, 3 ख़वातीन ना, वो बड़ा ज़बरदस्त स्ट्रीट पे एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजा रही थी और साथ गा रही थी। मुझे एकदम से मैजिकल लगी वो, ये क्या है। और मुझे लगा कि जो हमने बात की है वो इनकी थ्रू होनी है। तो फिर एक जर्नी पे हम चले गए जहाँ इनको ढूंढना शुरू किया। तो मेरा एक स्काउट है ज़िशान अली, मैंने उसको भेजी वीडियो। मैंने कहा यार ये तो ढूंढ के ये कौन लोग हैं मुझे पता कराना है।
टीम थक चुकी थी उनको ढूंढ ढूंढ के, तो वो कहीं मिल नहीं रही थी, तो मैंने ढूंढ लिया उनको एक ही दिन में।
हुआ खड़काया तो मैं क्या समझा, पता नहीं कोई मांगने वाला आया होगा। मैं क्या भाई आप माफ़ करें, कौन है? कहते नहीं हम कोक स्टूडियो से आपको हम ढूंढ रहे हैं, 8 दिन से ढूंढ रहे हैं। आपकी मैंने वीडियो देखी है, वो व्हाट्सएप पे चल रही थी ना, वो गड़बी बजा रही हम उस पर। हम आपको गाना देते हैं, आपको कोक स्टूडियो का वो कर दें, आपका पूरे मुल्क में नाम होगा।
एक मोहल्ला है घड़वी वाला मोहल्ला, ये वहाँ की ख़वातीन है। ये वही है जहाँ से नसीबो जी हैं, जहाँ से जस्टिन बीबीज़ हैं, और जहाँ रेशमा जी भी रहती थी। यहाँ तक कि रेशमा जी की कब्र उस मोहल्ले में है।
संभालो जरा अपना आंचल गुलाबी, दिखाओ ना हंस के आंखें शराबी।
क्यों है इस मोहल्ले में हर चलता फिरता हर बच्चा छोटा बड़ा सब
गाते हैं। ये हमारे 50 साल से हम यही कारोबार करते हैं, गाने का ही शुरू से हमारा शोभा है। ये हमारा शनाख्ती कार्ड है, ये बैंक कार्ड है हमारा।
वो आई हुई थी पूरी फैमिली इकट्ठी, 3 वो ले आई औरतें। उनमें से वन ऑफ द वुमेन, वो अपने एक छोटा, उसका बिल्कुल भी ऑलमोस्ट न्यू बॉर्न बेबी था, 5-6 महीने का, वो भी साथ था, और एक उनकी बेटी थी। गाना शुरू किया तो मैंने देखा कि जो उनकी बेटी आई हुई थी ना सबा, वो भी साथ साथ बहुत इन्वॉल्व थी पूरे प्रोसेस में, और जो हम घड़वी ग्रुप को प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे थे ना, वो भी वो साथ साथ याद किए जा रही थी। वो अपने छोटे भाई को, जो 6 मंथ वाला बच्चा था, उसको गोदी में रखा हुआ है और उसको कह रही है, ओ क्यूटी तेनू मैं समझा रही हूँ चढ़ते पे फनकारियाँ। मैंने कहा यार ये क्या हो रहा है। नहीं, मैं ऐसे देख रहा और मुझे मतलब रोंगटे खड़े हो गए यार। मैंने कहा बेटा आप माइक के सामने चले आई थिंक बिल्कुल
कुड़ता ले आइया वे लुधियाणिया, मैं सुनिया सी कहानियां वे मर जानिया, वे बेबी रक्षा मैं करा लिया, मैं तेरे बल्ले यारियां वे मर जानिया।
वो बिल्कुल ठीक थी। एंड आई आस्क्ड देम, मैंने पूछा कि यार ये सिखाया? कहते नहीं, कहते हैं वहाँ हम सारे ऐसे ही हैं। और सोचें और कितनी जगह होंगी ऐसी दैट वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ। आपकी जिंदगियां इसके अंदर झलक रही हैं, आपका जो म्यूजिक से इश्क है वो भी झलक है,
सही बात।
नेचुरल जो है, बल्कि आपको कुछ कोशिश नहीं करनी पड़ी, बस ये है ही ऐसे, आपके बच्चों में भी है, पूरी फैमिली में है, और ये बहुत बड़ी गिफ्ट है।
इसको ऐसे पकड़ना है और नीचे से ऐसे करना है, ऊपर से ऐसे करना है। मुश्किल है। नहीं हो गया ना। नीचे हाथ सख्त रखना था। अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा आपको।
इसको क्या बोलते हैं बाजी?
गड़वी।
और ये बर्तन है बस नॉर्मल
हाँ, बर्तन है। दूध रखते हैं, 2 गुज्जर है जो दूध मिलते हैं, इसमें दूध मिल के आते हैं।
घड़वी एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है, एक छोटा सा समझ लो घड़े की छोटी फॉर्म जो कि वो बजाती हैं, और उनका आप समझ लो रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम भी यही है। दे गो ऑन टू द स्ट्रीट्स अंदरून शहर लाहौर में और वो गाती हैं एंड पीपल रिवॉर्ड करते हैं, राइट। तो थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचो, पाकिस्तान में एक जगह है जिसका नाम एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट के सिंबॉलिज्म पे, घड़वी वाला मोहल्ला। उनका मेन सिंबल ही वही है, उनकी आइडेंटिटी वही है। इनसे बड़ा ब्लॉकबस्टर क्या है कि जो इतने अरसे से ब्लॉकबस्टर है लेकिन किसी को पता नहीं।
सिराजी
व्हाट मीट अप।
हम पहले भी मिले हैं, बात मुझे बाहर।
फारिस बहुत एक शुगली और बड़ा एक हंसमुख इंसान है। हर वक्त वो हर बंदे को खुश रखता है और हर वक्त उसके चेहरे पे स्माइल ही रहती है और वो सबको हंसाता ही रहता है बस। तो ये चीज़ उसकी बड़ी मज़ेदार है, एक अच्छे इंसान की निशानी है।
यार ऑब्वियसली जब उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया था तब तो गाना एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता था। Conceptually or narrative wise, I think Zulfi bhai did have an idea about the world of the song. लेकिन वो हुआ बड़ा spontaneously और बड़ा it was one of my more enjoyable times. वो बस मज़े मज़े में बन गया।
जुल्फ़ी भाई ने मुझे बीट भेजी और जुल्फ़ी भाई ने कहा यार इसके ऊपर जो है ना वो लिरिक्स लिखने हैं और लिरिक्स हमने इस तरह के लिखने हैं कि हमारा पूरा सीन है, पूरा स्वैग है एक हमारा।
मुझे नहीं लगता कि फारिस जैसा और कोई है, तो कुछ भी हर चीज़ से गाना बना लेता है। वो इनोवेटिव है बहुत, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है अल्फाजों से।
Zulfi bhai said that he would like for me to write for the Garvi wali ladies. And I was not sure क्योंकि मेरा अपना एक राइटिंग का स्टाइल है, ज़रा एजी और ज़रा पता ही आपको कैसा है। And it was truly his encouragement and his openness जिसने मुझे सिर्फ लिखने के काबिल नहीं किया बल्कि I was really happy to be a part of that as well.
वो गाने का एक तो माहौल अच्छा लगा था, एक सब गा रहे थे रल के, तो बहुत दिल खुश हुआ। अभी इतने लोग गा रहे तो तुम नहीं गा लो, खैर है कुछ नहीं होता। हाँ नहीं आता, समझाया उसने, ये इधर से उठाना है गाना, इधर से मुकाना है, इसने छोटी ने इधर बोल कहना है, तुमने यहाँ पे बोल कहना है, उसके बाद हम फिर ओके होगी।
मैंने पहली बार बजते हुए देखा है और मैन ऑफ
द मैच जो है वो मेलविन है, वो एक हाथ से बजा रहा है।
ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ इट वाज
जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है इसको, जरूरत नहीं पड़ती ब्रोकन हैंड यूज करने की।
यार बड़ा ज़बरदस्त एक्सपीरियंस था। सीरियसली कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इस तरह से इतने बड़े आर्टिस्ट के साथ काम करूँगा।
मज़ा पहले कब आया?
मज़ा आया,
बहुत मज़ा आया।
Alright, so if I can have all you guys over here. So as you can see over here in 700 BC, यहाँ पे काफी dinosaurs वगैरह होते थे यहाँ पे. We have a Cretaceous period. There will be a 40 by 25 feet का एक cinema screen होगा. पता है बड़ा मजा आने वाला है. अल्लाह खैर करे जी. अल्लाह खैर करे. आ जाइए.
पता नहीं कैसे होना वैसे।
The idea is very simple. You have your local superstars in a mohalla. They are actually on their way to see their own movie premiere in which they're starring in at the very same night. Idea of a movement in a time where basically everyone is sort of interconnected. One take video, no cuts, absolutely no cuts. Everything has been timed to precision.
Basically, what Zishan bhai told me was that he wanted a mohalla and he wanted a Punjabi mohalla specifically. Lived in, obviously cinematic. He told me it was a one-take song. ये idea instant मेरे दिमाग में simultaneously चल रहा था कि boss ये 20 फुट की गली तो नहीं बननी. It's a long mohalla that we had to make. And we should have a narrative in it because of the story of the song and the story of Coke Studio this year. खाली एक set नहीं लगा देना तो उसको जिंदगी देनी थी.
मल्ला अच्छा बनाया है, बहुत खुश हो रही है, सब भी खुश हो रहे हैं। ये अंदरूनी लाहौर का मल्ला बना, कराची में लाहौर आ गया।
I love this. It's so personal.
Yeah.
It's so personal. You have no idea how much more personal this is than any other project.
And I think what also this season is doing is it is not anymore trying to conform to any Western or any other ideas of structures.
We're here to be ourselves.
To be ourselves. So it's a lot more identity here.
I love that.
We've been listening to Coke Studio for a long time, watching Coke Studio for a long time. When we were tired of American music, like this commercial music, they would play Coke Studio, and then we would all like, wow, what is this sound?
So we can also do like they're dancing, they can cross, like everything is like.
Yeah, it needs to feel
like we're moving.
Nasir or Bilal, those two were there as movement directors.
This is the energy that you want to bring. Do a run, this. Run and yes. Exactly. Yeah. You want the animation in his body and everything. Even if you do this, like
even if you be calm.
I learned in a short time a lot from them. और ये एक ऐसी पोजीशन है जो इग्नोर नहीं हो सकती. हर वो छोटी छोटी मूवमेंट और वो कैमरा पे कैसे आती है, उस सब लोगों के बारे में उनकी नज़र सब पे थी. It's an absolute necessity. It's not a luxury. When you're making things of this scale.
They added so much value in all the movements that also had a ripple effect. I had to rework everything on paper again and then revisit it.
Our job is like, how can we make sure that these dancers look beautiful?
no. 1, 2, and then this. But always be in the act. Imagine that there's always an extra camera on only you. This is what I mean by you're an artist. Don't think that you're just a dancer.
We choreograph what suits them. We choreograph something that will make them look good. If I'm gonna choreograph for you, it will be totally different from what we did for them on the same song.
You guys understand this one? Boom, far, far, far. You know what I mean? Like paint the whole room with that one.
क्या बात है आपकी बेटा, शाबाश शाबाश। फायर उस गाड़ियों के ऊपर से जा रहा है, उमैर नीचे से जा रहा है, शॉट हुआ, जा रहे 2 गाड़ियाँ छोड़ के प्याम बैठा हुआ है, तो प्याम के पास ट्रैक आ रहा होगा, हेडफोन्स आहत के पास प्याम के सिस्टम से जा रहे होंगे।
सबकी पोजीशनिंग करना, माइक करना, वो हमने सेट तो कर दिया है। अब मतलब 1-2 टेक्स के बाद हमारा थोड़ा स्ट्रीमलाइन हुआ है, तो अब थोड़ा अच्छा चल रहा है। ये थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सेटअप है इस गाने का।
और फिर ये तो साथ जुड़ जाएंगे, मतलब थोड़ा पास पता। सेट बहुत बड़ा है यार, मतलब पूरे कोक के किसी भी सीज़न में इतना बड़ा सेट नहीं लगा हुआ, तो हमें भी इस चीज़ का है थोड़ा ख्याल। तो हम साथ साथ जहाँ जहाँ मौका मिल रहा है वहाँ साउंड चेक कर रहे हैं, कोने में छुप छुप के। बट यार बड़ा मज़ा, बहुत लीथल होने वाला है।
तो डेडली सीन ये है कि इनको चिंची में रिक्शे में बैठना है उस पॉइंट पे जहाँ ये गा रही हैं, उसी टाइम पे इनको उस पे बैठना है,
रिक्शा पे बैठ,
वरना रिक्शा निकल जाएगा।
हमने पकड़ना है रिक्शे को।
3 दिन से हम लाइट कर रहे हैं, कोई 15-20 लाइट्स ऊपर से हैंग हुई हैं, जो कि बड़ी बड़ी क्रेन्स, जो बेसिकली कंस्ट्रक्शन वाली क्रेन्स होती हैं, उसमें हमने की हैं। टिल द लास्ट टेक हम कुछ ना कुछ करते रहेंगे वैसे। पूरा गाना बेसिकली टाइम्ड हुआ हुआ है।
कितने लोग हैं जो जब तक आपस में सिंक नहीं करेंगे तो ये नहीं हो सकता। सबकी टाइमिंग है, डांसर्स की अलग है, परफॉर्मेंस की अलग है।
So there's no room for any mistake. When you're running in a one shot, you go out of character and then you run behind camera and then you're like this, stressed, and then you have to go back into this. And it's not simple.
सिंगर बस पे भी जा रहा है, 3 सिंगर रिक्शे में जा रहे हैं, 1 सिंगर बाइक पे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहा है, तो केओस है और ये वन टेक। तो हमारा जो सीन है ना, ये समझो एक्शन मूवी का एक सीन शूट है।
We have approximately around about 450 extras, 200 plus crew members. It's a huge production.
इससे पहले कभी इतनी बड़ी वन टेक कभी ना हुआ।
फिर उसके बाद लोगों को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है फ्रॉम वन एंड टू द अदर एंड ड्यूरिंग द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द सॉन्ग। देयर इज अ रिक्शा एंड देयर इज अ बस और बाइक है और चिंचियाँ हैं।
अगर आप रीसेट पे जाते हैं, 450 एक्स्ट्रास को अपनी जगह पे वापस लेके जाना है। द डे ऑफ जजमेंट टाइप एक फील है।
Anything anymore. If you pull this off, Allah Mia is there. Nothing will go wrong.
Oh. It is really.
What are we going to do?
Pray.
Now we're just about to start. Someone should call. नहीं तो बारिश हो रही है यार।
इतने अरसे से इतने ज़्यादा बादल थे, उस वक्त नहीं हुई। अब वो देखो चांद भी नजर आ रहा है और साथ साथ बारिश भी हो गई है। और उस दिन जिस दिन हमने कहा हमने सब आउटडोर करना है और
पता है ग्रोथ से ज़्यादा इट्स अबाउट होप।
क्या कर रहे हो?
मरियम मरियम क्या सीन क्या सीन क्या सीन एडी
मिलेगा टाइम चाहिए फर्स्ट मार्क्स चलिए
people when they get together and when they get in sync with each other, उनकी जो पावर है ना वो मैजिक होती है. आई थिंक ये लोगों को होप देगा, बिलीफ देगा कि ये चीज़ें हो सकती हैं.
What I find unique with working here in Pakistan is that it's just different the way people treat each other. Heart first, business later. That's what I realized.
Her energy is beyond me. I feel honored to just share this space with her.
एक एक चीज़ ठीक करना, छोटी बच्ची मैं वो भी देख रहा था, एक एक चीज़ याद किया. आपका
बिल्कुल।
बहुत शुक्रिया.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
आप ब्लॉकबस्टर हैं.
सही बात है।
कभी नहीं सोचा, जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा कि हमें इतने लोग हमारे को ढूंढ रहे हैं, चाहत कर रहे हैं. हम जो गरीब है तो हम अल्लाह ने उसने डायरेक्ट बाँह पकड़ ली.
जिन आर्टिस्ट्स को दुनिया ने नहीं देखा, उन्होंने ये बहुत बड़ा काम किया है कि उन्होंने अपना पैशन फॉलो किया, और हमारी इन्वायरमेंट में यही बहुत सबसे बड़ा काम है.
It was just to create a world where every person thinks they are a superstar. In that mohalla, they make a blockbuster together. So again, that's the spirit of unity. Working with one of the best people in Pakistan to make this possible, it just makes it all worthwhile.
Yeah.
हम हैं प्यार वाले लोग. वी आर पीपल ऑफ लव. उस लेंस से हमें देखो एक दफ़ा तो बात ही बदल जाए यार. दिस इज़ वॉट आई फील हमारी जर्नी इज़ अबाउट. हम ब्लॉकबस्टर हैं तो हम लव के ब्लॉकबस्टर हैं, हम काइंडनेस के ब्लॉकबस्टर हैं. कि हमारे तो दरवाजे दिल के खुले हुए हैं, बेशक रोज़ाना हो. दिस इज़ आवर मैसेज टू द वर्ल्ड.
ये वाला BTS नहीं था, ये एक शॉर्ट फिल्म है. मतलब all the markers of when you watch a film, like how when things are going together, everything, and then massive conflict happens, बारिश हो गई, like and then everyone comes together, and then like the whole climax. Oh man,
It's a movie.
oof. I was like,
Ah,
oh, ये बहुत ही beautiful था. Like entire BTS team इस particular वाले के लिए, in fact all of them, how many people were involved? That's crazy, right?
450
Like, yeah, the
extras
whole,
and 200 crew.
wow.
That's 650 already, plus everyone else. Add another, so around 800 people, give or take.
यार इसके बाद तो उन्हें लाइव एक्शन शोज शुरू कर देनी चाहिए. मतलब like audience will walk into it, things are happening around you, audience is the still part of it, and everything else is moving. Like these are those kind of like proper live action shows. This will be wow. And ये सब इतनी डिटेल में अगर ये BTS नहीं होता ना तो नहीं पता लगता. Because जब हम वीडियो देखते हैं, we've all become so accustomed to watching like big videos and big these things, even in films and everything, that back end में क्या होता है ये अगर नहीं देखते तो इस लेवल का वो realization नहीं होता है कि अच्छा इस गाने के बैकग्राउंड में ये सब कुछ चल रहा था और ये सब problems हो गई थी. And the journey is all like forever, always like this whole season, the way they showcase the journey, that's been phenomenal anyway. कैसे कहाँ जाके ढूंढते हैं. Although उन्होंने ये नहीं बताया कि एक दिन में ढूंढा कैसे, कि बाकी सब ढूंढ रहे हैं किसी को नहीं मिले, and how he found one day में. Because like this is start से शुरू करें है ना.
Yeah, this is a movie, and it is I'm sure there's still a lot more that they had to edit out and try and contain it all into the 24 minutes almost of this BTS, but it my God, there's a lot in this. I feel like I just keep getting very happily reassured of the fact that here's a man on a mission, and he's carrying everyone on that mission with him, and look at the things they're able to achieve, all of them together. It's amazing.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Seriously.
I
And
want
the energy at the back end. With like the way they were jumping in the studio and like recording it, it was literally like a, you know, celebration, how they kept saying it. But वो दिख रहा था कि कैसे वो
Because
कूद के कर रहे थे.
yeah, and also like what the set designer she said, which was really nice, that now that we've been able to do this, now nothing's impossible. We can do anything, you know. So again, from that angle, this song and its execution is such an inspiration moving forward to every creative, not just in Pakistan
Correct.
but everywhere. Because
Correct.
there's like, you know, how people are questioning ki the old days where the set was there and singers were singing, wo nahi hai. Then people are questioning the visuals. Now there's probably, you know, a lot of those critics might convert and say, oh, they actually managed live sound with this kind of a one-take video. They actually managed a one-take video. They actually had the dancers and the moving vehicles and the singers getting on top of objects and blah blah, getting
वो
transported.
टेम्पो
Like,
की आवाज भी आ रही थी.
imagine,
Also
yeah,
was listening to it.
imagine
हाँ.
with all of that being given focus, they still managed to achieve the sound, the music, the
Yeah.
song, the visual of it, the promotion of the culture of the place. Like, they managed to accomplish all of that. So why not? Why not progress in this way,
I
right?
loved right in the start that one line which they began with, that the whole mohalla is,
Named
you know,
after the
celebrities ka mohalla. And both, no, I'm talking about the video ka jo
हाँ,
basic
the
intent tha,
brief, yeah.
that, you know, वो how वो निकलता भी है ऐसे ऐसे करके, and that time we were like, ना, लेकिन लोग कहाँ हैं?
Yeah.
Because वो अपने मोहल्ले में अपनी टॉय में निकल रहा
अपना,
है.
yeah.
So
और उसकी फिल्म
that
का
was nice.
और उसके शो का
Premiere
प्रीमियर
है.
पे वो जा रहा है,
हाँ.
right? That's why he's all dressed
So
up and
that
he's
was a
got-
very interesting element which I did
Yeah.
not catch in
Yeah, we
the,
didn't
you
catch
know,
that.
song. Yeah. That
So
was very
yeah,
nice.
it's true because they are the people, they are going through the mohalla and they are reaching their own screening. Very nice.
Yeah.
The concept was
Huh.
nice. I just first of all, like, shout out to Zishan. Yes, thank you for telling us you know, after the last reaction that it was a one take. That bus.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very
Shivan,
much.
it's all good. It's a bet I'm
joke,
happy to lose. But
Yeah.
no, but like, it really we only watched it once in that reaction, and I feel like later on when I was watching it again, I realized we did miss a lot. There's too much in it.
Yeah.
There's too much. Look at the amount of hard work they've put in all the little elements. See you.
Thank
They've, you know, we
This is my
missed
silent sneeze, studio sneeze.
perfected the art of the silent sneeze. And your eyes are watering now. That's the side effect.
Those
So
are tears from watching the video.
okay.
Yes. Huh.
So we missed, like, there was a thing on we got the Pasuri poster, but
Yeah.
we missed the Zulfi, Maijan, that was also on the wall over there. We missed a lot,
Correct.
you know, look at the walls,
Yeah.
look at the detailing. And
Detailing.
the catchphrase there was, it has to look like a lived in mohalla, right? It cannot be like
Yeah.
a set, fresh paint and all that. So the amount, even on the road, this gully, they had water ke patches. You know, I was
That must
looking
be
at
because
that
of
like
Barish
detailing.
also.
No, वो बारिश के पहले का था. Maybe it
Acha.
was, maybe the camera was
हाँ.
after the barish. But that and that's what
It
when
worked in really well. Yeah.
when the barish started in my mind, I'm thinking आपको तो lived in mohalla चाहिए था. So you got it.
You
Be
got it.
careful what
Exactly.
you
बारिश
ask
हो
for.
गई.
Yeah. So that was the last touch from the skies above कि lived in
वाह.
mohalla चाहिए था, हम भी हमारी
हाँ,
थोड़ा
लो.
छिड़क देते.
But
So
उस
that was
moment में सबके expressions,
Yeah.
like, you know, ke, oh no. It was like, you know, that one collective dip that happens in energy because everything is so high
but
energy. Everybody is like prepped up, ki bas ab.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
barish. Like, you
But
know.
you know, I feel these moments are very important. These moments where you feel like everything's gone and lost, like the darkest hour comes before the dawn, right? So it takes that moment to actually make or break your mission and your intent and your enthusiasm and your drive and all of that. And that moment is a very defining moment in anyone's life.
100%.
Are you gonna let it
And
break you, or are you gonna let it
Yeah.
come back from it and be like, no, I'm
And
still
those
gonna
are the
do
moments
this.
which also bring people together like nothing else
Nothing
does.
else. That's
Nothing
why
else.
they're
Like, you know,
important.
suddenly then you get bonded forever. Like, you know, that ये हमने इकट्ठे achieve किया.
Yeah. Imagine अगर वो बारिश इतनी भारी हुई होती कि वो सब set, like, you know, say 50% spoil हो गया होता या जो भी.
हाँ. Oh.
Imagine. And I'm sure this team would have not let that stop them either. They would have come
Yeah.
back, you
Yeah.
know. So
Yeah.
it's actually like those moments are that divine test that's also happening, and that's very important
And
part
how
of the
everyone
process.
cheered. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was too cute.
Yeah.
यार मैं सोच रही थी जब वो लोग भाग रहे थे, at the back end of it, कि जब
Hmm.
जहाँ मेन आपका कैमरा चल रहा है, जहाँ पे कंटिन्यूटी चल रही है, लेकिन बाकी लोग अपनी पोजीशंस के लिए भाग रहे हैं, कितने लोगों को भागते भागते ऐसे चोट भी लगी होगी. It's natural, इतने
Yeah.
सारे लोग हैं, आप इकट्ठे
Correct.
जाओगे, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ छोटे छोटे मिसहैप्स होते रहते हैं. But everyone then kind of just goes past it. It doesn't make it a big issue because you know that in that moment that something that you're doing is so much above and beyond just you and that one little thing that's happened to you, while how much
Yeah.
ever painful it might be, but people just like you breeze through and say for the collective, the song that we're shooting, for the bigger thing, let's just go for it. So that
this also reminds me, like, first of all, props to all the dancers and everyone who ran from there to there. I cannot imagine the amount of coordination and, intent. So even if they must have hit themselves on something or tripped somewhere to have just
Yeah.
gone, imagine the number of bruises. But this reminds me, I was watching this interview of Imtiaz Ali and they were asking कि आप उस जब आप बना रहे थे वो गाना, this is particular about Kun Faya Kun, what was the thing? Because that song's energy has affected so many people and continues to affect people to this day. So
Yeah.
this is the thing when the creatives are, and he said कि we didn't know it's going to do that. हमने तो सोचा ही नहीं, because we had so many different things that were bothering us that day. We couldn't do this, we were not allowed to do this, so the whole crew was in the mode of just calm finish karna hai. Nobody was
Correct,
thinking beyond that, and that
Yeah.
energy had so much power in it. So again, in a set and in a thing like this, everyone's energy is so focused on doing the job and getting the mission accomplished, that energy then comes out in the final product, and logon ko uski kya, like, the power that it has when it finally
Yeah.
goes out into the world is something else. And it's because they've been in that focused creative force that's flowing through everyone.
Yeah.
Sorry, I've had to.
Faris Shafi's energy is another level.
I know.
Like, when you were talking about energy and you were talking about, like, it's just Faris Shafi is a force to reckon with. Like, even like in the especially off camera. Like, when he is in his element, when he's with people he knows, when he's just being that
He's got
entire
an
whole
aura about him. And actually somebody, shout out to you, messaged me, I won't take his name. They went to school together. He was his senior in school, Faris. So he said
Oh.
that right from those days, we knew he's born to be an entertainer. He had that energy and that spark and that,
larger than life wala.
yeah, he'd walk into a
vibe.
room and he'd just start entertaining people, So,
Wow.
so
Yeah.
that spark is just inborn. Sometimes it's just there. And the people like him also, then they struggle with what to do with that energy also, Anyway, that's another topic. But
Yeah.
I wanted to talk I want to go in like order of the things I remember right from the start when Umair he spoke about how he just was singing and doing his thing and writing, and his mom was supportive but his father wasn't. So
Yeah.
there itself I saw this, like, and he said chup chup ke hum kar rahe the. That itself is very inspiring, because
Correct.
here's a child he's got two influential figures in his life. Your parents are your first influences, right? So these your most two biggest influential forces, and they're pulling you in one direction and the other. One is saying it's okay, one is saying it's not okay. And
Yeah.
imagine then you growing up with that constant internal struggle. Is it okay? Is it not okay? Is it okay? Is it not okay? It's a very difficult place to be. And a lot of people grow up with that, or they live with that throughout their life. It's very,
Correct.
I was just feeling the thing there. And it's because we hear him say it on camera and we're like, okay, yeah, kabhi kabhi papa nahi mante hain. But it's actually a very, like, strange existence.
Yeah. To the
to
point where
have.
he said कि मैं छुप छुप के करता था.
Yeah.
Like, कभी छुप के, कभी ये, मतलब सोचो what kind of passion and what kind of dedication one needs to have to not give it up over years.
Yeah.
Otherwise, how long can you struggle against it,
Yeah.
especially when the struggle is at home itself? चलो आप
Yeah.
1 साल करोगे, 2 साल करोगे, 3 साल करोगे, then you'll be like, यार, maybe मैं ही कुछ, maybe it's time to pause now.
Yeah.
Maybe it's time to stop when that kind of, but to continue doing that because you can't deny, your own calling, that
Yeah.
in itself is a big thing.
The calling is too strong within you.
Yeah.
So it also made me think that there is a lot many people out there who struggle with this. Yes, should I pursue it? Should I not pursue it? I am confused. And to them, I would just like to say, please follow your heart. It sounds cliche,
Yeah.
but it all comes down to that. Follow your soul's calling. That's it. And, props to Umair for doing that. Then we went to the Garvi Mohalla. That how many people commented on our reaction saying, Lota nahi hai, wo Garvi hai.
And उस टाइम पता है मैं याद करने की कोशिश कर रही थी because I've grown up with गडवी में दूध, गडवी में दही
Dahi
जमा रहे
and
हैं.
all,
I
yeah.
have grown up with saying gadvi, gadvi, gadvi forever. And then like, you know, then Bombay happens. Then, you know, you don't use those words anymore, so you forget
Yeah,
them.
yeah.
And like, yeah, correct.
But it's also like she was teaching this one how to play it. It takes practice, obviously. I didn't know
Yeah.
that they were hitting it from the bottom also, not just the top. So there's a whole rhythm that's
so good, no?
It's
Support के लिए अंदर ही अंदर
हमारे फ्रिज में
wow.
भी रखा है. I'll also try.
Try. Very good. Try.
है ना?
हाँ.
Why not?
Upload a video also while you try.
Oh shit.
Just sit on a mattress because pakki baat hai, the first time you do it, it's going to fly off your hand and like jump here and there and make lots of noise. So just make sure you're all like
So leave a mom will like,
sitting
what
in
is
a
happening?
well padded area.
Yeah, true. Okay, so I'll try that. But listen, beautiful. So what Zulfi was saying about them, imagine there is a whole ilaka that is named after a musical instrument.
Not even a music instrument, actually,
beautiful और क्या है?
after a utensil.
हाँ, but it's
You
become
know,
a musical instrument.
technically, but yeah, it's become because they've only made it into that. Yeah, wow, wow. And that little boy who, when they were on that journey, वो कैसे आराम से ऐसे बस उसने गा दिया और कितना मतलब the voice में जो वो एक what भारी is the wrong word, like एक जो वो होता है ना, what is that called, weight होता है,
Power, yeah.
आवाज में जो एक weight होता है वो था उसकी आवाज में यार, और कैसे उसने ऐसे करके गा दिया, और हम यहाँ क्लासेस लेके मतलब बैंड बजी हुई है यहाँ पे, like ऐसे ही the kid is just singing and is there, and that little girl also of course who was there in the video, in the song, she's like woof, wow.
You know, these are old souls also who are previous incarnations में वो थे, तो वो birth से ही आ जाता है. It continues.
हाँ,
It's
correct,
another
correct. I agree
dimension
with
of
you.
discussion I'm going into, but
वो
it's
अपनी
been
practice
proven.
sessions करके आए हैं कि
हाँ.
अब हम तैयार हैं, अब हम आए हैं इधर
हाँ, और
काम
वो
होगा.
skill उनकी पहले से है. So,
हाँ,
you know,
हाँ.
but ठीक है, let's not derail. But yes, beautiful voice, and the whole mohalla is a music mohalla. I love that. And you know, it reminded me in Bali, which is a land of art. Okay, like I love that island because I just feel the energy the minute you land there. I feel it. They have villages which are jinki, each village ki speciality is a different art form, and then they are known by that. So the stone sculptors का एक separate village है. वहाँ पे हर एक बच्चा, by the time he's born only, he's learning how to sculpt. Okay, so then there's the silver making village. Then there is the wooden woodwork ka village. Then there is the painters ka village. I actually went to it's like a tourist thing now, which is a school also, but it's also like a museum. So you walk through different rooms where you see it's the painters village. You see the different paintings, and in the different rooms where classes are, they're not even classes. It's just when a kid is born, he just goes there and he starts from the most basic paintings.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
So they're all sitting. So one level I saw where they were making the basic flower ones, and they're actually framed and they're sold then in the shop, you know, which then the tourists can buy. And then you move from room to room, and then there are the guys who become teenagers now, and they're doing the more complicated paintings. So the art is passed on from generation to generation. So there are places like that, and I like bow to them because it's beautiful. It's beautiful, and seeing their mohalla and how it's gone from, it's just there in the children. When she got behind the mic,
it's perfect.
You said
Wow.
हम classes पे classes लेके थक जाएंगे, लेकिन
What's
It's
really amazing
beautiful.
is how amazed even they were कि उन्हें
Yeah.
खुद ही नहीं पता था कि ऐसे मोहल्ले exist करते हैं, and you know how when
I
they
know,
went
that
out
is
to hunt and to seek, like सोचो ना how like while there are no coincidence, but कितना serendipity मतलब यहाँ पे खुल के बह रही है that randomly Zulfi starts looking online, comes across like wow, this looks like, you know, they look talented, then starts hunting, like just that whole kahani of how
such
he
a
found them.
yeah, and such
It
a
is bizarre.
just the basic words ka Google search it was, right?
Yeah,
It wasn't
yeah.
even like Garvi women singing, or he didn't even know.
Correct.
He just
He didn't know. And then he finds them and realizes कि पूरा मोहल्ला ऐसा है, और वहां पे सिर्फ वो नहीं, और उस मोहल्ले से जो legends आए हैं जो वहीं रहते थे, like that, the list which is
So it's
immediate
weird to me
goosebumps.
when I heard
Yeah.
that, I was like, so Nasibo ji is from there, Justin Bieber's are from there, but they were there in the last season. Did they never mention their mohalla to him? I don't know.
ये बातें नहीं होती होंगी ना, आप personally
शायद,
थोड़ा बातें करते हो.
I
Yeah,
don't
maybe
know,
they
but
have
like,
shifted, maybe they were born there and then shifted, and now, like, you know, one doesn't talk about it randomly.
but
So
haven't
it's
they ever
totally
talked
possible.
about it in their interviews, Nasibo ji, कि हम किस मोहल्ले से आए हैं? I was just a little surprised because इतने
Yeah, I
famous
agree
लोग
with
आए
you.
हैं
These
वहां
are,
से,
yeah, legit questions.
और
Correct.
फिर भी like उसके existence का पता नहीं था कि ऐसा मोहल्ला है, which is like, it's amazing to me how yeah, attention needs to be paid to these things, na? In the broader
And
sense
it
of it,
is
like in
like,
the
you know,
media
in such a
yeah.
yeah. Correct.
But so I am thinking like if I ever interview Nasibo ji someday, the first thing I'll ask her is about her childhood and where she grew up. You know,
Yeah, that's true.
So that's because you want to
You know,
know the
many
earliest
times
influence.
ऐसी बातें, हाँ, but many times ऐसी बातें, they, even if we hear it, it gets like overlooked in passing because till the need doesn't arise to look for something like that. Like for example, normally, even if we were aware कि अच्छा हाँ वो जिस मोहल्ले से आती हैं वहाँ पे हर कोई गाना गाता है, like you know, we would have just been like हाँ okay, very nice, very nice. But until you require somebody and you realize, oh wait a minute, and then you discover and say अच्छा ये सारे legends इस मोहल्ले से हैं? Hold up, something's going on. You know, but individually when you hear the stories, it's very scattered. But
Yeah.
then when it gets that
Thing
whole,
doesn't come, yeah, that spark in
yeah,
your
batti
mind.
doesn't go.
Yeah.
Then they're like,
And that
oh,
also
acha.
makes me think of like even the brightest diamond will only be discovered when the timing is right. You know, really makes you believe
Oh,
in the divine timing.
100%. Yes,
कि
yes,
वो तब तक
100%.
आगे नहीं आएगा दुनिया के जब तक उसका टाइम नहीं आया होगा उस चीज का.
बिल्कुल, fully agree.
है ना?
Fully agree. हाँ.
So there's so
मतलब,
much
हाँ,
at play
correct.
here. No, see.
Wow. No, I was just saying that while we're at it, Jagjit Singh ji, जहाँ से मैं हूँ वहाँ से थे. You never know. यहाँ पे
Humble
भी
brag.
बहुत सारे, just everybody will start like now showing off कहाँ से हो और आपके मोहल्ले में आपकी जगह पे कितने famous लोग वहाँ से निकले, कितने singers निकले. You never know.
You
You
never
know.
know. Yeah, there
Yeah.
should be an encyclopedia of just these things of each place, city. But you know,
Or like हम
actually,
fully बह गए हैं आप उस thought में. But yeah, reeling back in.
हाँ, really back it. So I'm just saying, whoever contributes to Wikipedia on like if you go to a certain city, like you go to whatever Chandigarh, then वहाँ पे famous people from Chandigarh वो दिखता है ना. And
हाँ.
if you go to University of like Oxford or whatever, वहाँ पे दिखते हैं like
Correct.
notable graduates of Oxford, like XXX Prime
Actually, I've never
Minister.
checked it. Maybe that
वो
is
दिखता
there
है.
already. हाँ.
हाँ.
मैंने देखा ही नहीं.
So that happened. But listen, that whole like their
Fantastic.
story was just lovely. And can I just say how elegant they look in their dupatta? When they came to the studio for the first time, I was just admiring कि वो so beautiful they look. Just you know the makeup, the hair, the way they जो
Yeah.
श्रृंगार उनका होता है, which is so, and like did you see the kajal? It was very thick and dark.
Surma. It
Surma.
was proper surma. हाँ.
हाँ, तो वो उनके
Because I've
लगाने
seen,
का style.
so when I saw them, they look exactly like the ladies from where I come. Like all
हाँ.
the women look exactly like that. So I'm looking
Yeah.
at them going,
So
दुपट्टे
amazing.
भी वही हैं, जिस तरह वो बात कर रहे हैं वो भी वही है, सुरमा भी वही है. Like you know, like it's a very एक तरीका होता है ना, एक
Yeah.
लहजा होता है बात करने का वैसे वाला. वो.
And I love it. I love it. So even that baby, for example, the 5-6 month old
हाँ.
baby that was there, imagine that baby's just been born. वो तब से ये सब सुन रहे हैं, तो वो तो आएगा ही. Then it's no surprise
बिल्कुल.
that all the children are.
You know
It's
how
all
Hindustani
around.
classical में the first thing they tell you is सुनना सीखो.
तो no.
They just tell you कि हाँ, there are certain teachers वो आपको सा भी नहीं लगाने देते जब तक आपने 3-4 महीने या 6 महीने तक सिर्फ सुना नहीं है बैठ के.
Yeah.
Do you know, like some people are very strict. So now imagine that little baby, वो तो constantly सुन रहा है, like you know,
Ears
the
are
baby just
tuned.
listening,
Yes.
ears are tuning in. Yeah, wow,
It's done.
superb.
But props to Zishan Ali for being the Sherlock Holmes of the team and finding them. Are you
Well
asking you
done.
could ask him someday कि कैसे ढूंढा एक दिन, maybe like elementary, my dear Bhola. हो गया.
हाँ.
But very nice.
कौन से रास्ते कौन से जरिए बनते हैं, no one knows.
I
It just
know.
keeps happening. It's beautiful.
It was very cute though when the ladies were showing Virushan how to play it, and then वो जो pink दुपट्टे में थी ना, I really liked her vibe. She was like, अभी आपको थोड़े practice
Time
करेंगे
लगेगा.
फिर हो जाएगा. It was very cute.
हाँ.
So then then we move on to the set, and okay, this was, but I have to say the beat and everything was amazing. I realized that Zulfi's made the beat and Talal's added some things on top, but damn. So this like I feel a lot of the crew members were also Punjabi. I don't know. I got that sense. They didn't spell that out.
Like how they keep changing people depending on which song they're doing. Is that what you're talking about?
I
Like
don't
how
know. Maybe
the
they do
costume
it.
people or like
The
how the
set
set
design.
designer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct. So
Even
like,
Zishan, I don't
interesting.
know. I think it also might have something to do with that, or it might not. But they really then took on the onus of how do we present our culture in that way.
Yeah.
That you know that sense of ownership happens.
Correct. For the first time, I also saw them a little overwhelmed with the scale of it. Like, you know, in the past BTSs, everyone talks very like, हाँ ये क्या हुआ है, ये हमें पता है कैसे करना है. Yes, this was challenging, that was challenging, but it's never shown on their face.
Yeah.
In this particular one, everyone literally, like, while they were in control of it and beautifully
Yeah.
executed, but there was still that overwhelming एक वो, एक layer थी overwhelmed होने की कि बहुत बड़ा set है, इतना बड़ा नहीं किया है, like, how, yes, we'll do it, but how? Let's do it. So
Yeah.
that was very nice to watch.
That was very evident. Good point. Like, have we
Yeah.
bitten off more than we can chew? Are we going to be able to
Yeah,
do this?
yeah.
Like, even Sherry and the sound squad, first of all, props to you guys. You all have, like, you all have done the unimaginable, unachievable. You've managed to capture live sound on a set like this. I cannot. I just cannot. It is a one for the textbooks, It's really one for the textbook. And I was when he was saying कि हम लोग छुप छुप के sound check कर रहे थे. I was like, छुप छुप के क्यों? You are this is so important.
दिखना नहीं चाहिए ना, continuity में गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
But very nice. Listen, all
हाँ.
of them very like imagine the amount of wiring and testing and all of that. And imagine if it had reached a point where they're like, this cannot be done. Just imagine.
Like 1,000 things
for
can go wrong.
discussions. Yeah. Or
And
we can't
one
filter out
time.
this noise.
Yeah.
Yeah. But apparently so what you were saying was right कि वो आप choreograph कर रहे हो 1 2 3 that whole like shouting and all that is happening, the execution is happening, the mics of the
Correct.
singers are they are being sung into,
Yeah.
the live sound
Yeah.
is getting captured, but there is that external noise, the instruments that are actually wired into the things, for those instruments it doesn't matter, they won't
The
pick up
digital
the
ones, हाँ, the ones जो
digital ones.
directly output चली जाती है,
Yeah,
हाँ.
but the ones that have a mic,
हाँ,
how
which
to
is
then place
capturing
them,
us first,
yeah,
correct.
where to
Yeah.
place them on that set so it's minimal, where to
Correct.
how to I don't even know the kind of mics the singers would have used, because that was the
there
most
are also
difficult thing for me to-
isolation mics that come, which are very specific. Because I remember there was this one audio series we were doing, recording, and we were like, actually, mics were placed in the center. We were all around it. But we were asked to actually move around and deliver our lines, but in a certain pattern. Because जो वो mic था, वो capture कर रहा था बाकी चीजें भी, but in a very specific pattern. So I'm assuming that
It's
they also have those
pattern-
very specialized mics, which catch only a
only
certain level.
unidirection, yeah.
Yeah.
And also now from what I've heard is there's so many AI tools that help you eliminate unwanted sound.
Also true. Yeah.
Now technology is advanced so much. It's like what we
Correct.
couldn't
Certain
imagine
decibel के
before.
ऊपर सिर्फ, हाँ, that's also true.
Or you can isolate a particular voice or
Yeah.
something and remove everything else from that recording.
Correct.
Even those things are
Correct.
probably so lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. You gotta like use tech and AI in the right way. That's what I'm gonna say.
This though would be simply जैसे हम like आप एक certain decibel को pick कर लो. That's how those crowd headphones also come ना. Like when you go for concerts and all, it takes only certain decibels, and so you can hear the concert and you can also talk to people, but it cuts the unnecessary noise that's around you. So
It's our
similar
headphones
technology.
also, all our noise
Yeah.
cancelling headphones, same
Correct.
thing.
You know? Yeah.
But okay, so then
Wow.
amazing. I saw New Look on the wall and I was like, that's crazy. New Look is a store in London.
Yes. How much you shopped from it?
so that they put, and then when Quick Style came in, crazy what they brought to this song. It's just movement directors, like Faris was.
Yes.
Emphasizing.
Like they literally even coordinated कि किस energy से jump मार के ऊपर चढ़ना है.
और कैसे
Like
वो
forget dance,
कैसे
सारे
करेगा?
dance and सब चीजों के लिए तो, and I loved when he told them that you're not dancers, you're artists.
Yes.
So imagine that one camera is individually
you.
on you. Wow, like
On the
that is a
spot.
life ki seekh I'm also taking from. Like that is so necessary. That's how one should live their life.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, like wow.
Spotlight's always on you. You're the main character. That's it. Love it. I mean, that's really the kind of thing that makes for a good director,
Yeah.
Which again, from his last this thing in Harkale, like tell everyone they're a star and then watch them bring out their magic.
Yeah.
And
Now, the other one, I forget his name, both of them, right? The
Bilal.
other person who was there, Jinko Bilal, हाँ. And how he was talking about that, how everyone needs to look beautiful. Like each person needs to have unke body ke hisab se, unke movement ke hisab se, the step. And that's like such good choreography, right? When you don't just take one thing and just chaper it on everyone, when you make it work with, with the set, with the people who are participating at that point, with the whole visual of it. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's such sensitive way of going about it.
Yeah.
It is not just like
that again, if you're a good director, and again, Imtiaz Ali said this. He said that at the end of the day, why there's never a bad actor, it's just bad directing. So there's never a bad
Yeah.
performer, it's just bad directing. And so he was asked कि what does a good director do, and he's like, it's not really about any technical thing that the director has. It's just about how sensitive are you to understand what your actor or performer is feeling or going through, and how you can talk to them in a way that helps them bring out what you need them to bring out from within themselves. Can you talk to them in that way and say
Yeah.
the right thing and help them channel their energy, which even they don't know is inside them? How can you do that? So, and that's it. That's it. If you are not able to crack that, then that actor will not be able to tap in what you need them to tap into for you, right?
Yeah.
So the same thing I'm seeing here. Zulfi is able to do that so well. He is so sensitive, his antenna always on. He is spotting what this girl is doing, playing with the baby and just singing to the baby, and he's able to just capture that energy and put it behind a mic immediately and get this wow thing for the song. And Quickstyle are able to do that because they are already aware that we cannot give the dancer something that we are comfortable with, movement, right?
Correct.
We have to
Correct.
understand how their body's moving or what will look good on them, and then give them just that. Beautiful.
Correct.
Beautiful. Just seeing these kind of things behind the scenes helps us understand and everyone understand what the creative process is about. And again, I feel like the song, and whether it hits a listener and works for a listener, at the end of the day, is the least important thing out of all of this.
That's
know?
true. After watching this, it really feels like that.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
some people will like it, some people will love it, some people will not like it at all, and that's the least important thing, because look at what all they got out of the making. So again, like, it's the process and the time that people spent on making that thing happen, and how it expanded their imagination, and then how their then expanded imagination transformed their lives, and then in turn will transform other lives in whatever manner, whether through the song or whether through watching this BTS and some creators getting inspired, thinking hum bhi aise kar sakte hain, impossible things, etc., etc. So that's it, mission accomplished. Aur kya chahiye? Sorry, I've just gone on and on.
instills. No, you're right. Because it's
So-
true. Like with me, what happens is when I get awed, like, when it literally instills awe, I go silent.
Yeah.
Like, so there are many times I don't know what to talk because I'm just go with their whole process and with Zulfi's process, I just go like, wow. And मेरा वहाँ pause हो जाता है. Like मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता उसके बाद कुछ. So that's literally like what happens with BTS. BTS में we watch their process, we get to know what their kahani was in their head, the way they executed it, how they went about it, and each team, everyone, and it's awe-striking.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's a lot to take in. One must pause. We have to. But I'm just, again, Zishan and team, this one's, for the textbooks for sure. Like, mad props to you and your crew. ये आपने imagine किया और आपने execute किया. It's just, there is like, they're getting on the rickshaw while singing. While singing.
I love that.
I'm just in
अगर
shock.
हम सही टाइम पे नहीं हो तो रिक्शा चली जाएगी. हमें पकड़नी पड़ेगी.
ऐसी चीजें I cannot, like, it's not even like रिक्शा आई, वो बैठे आराम से settle हुए, फिर उन्होंने गाना शुरू किया. It's
थोड़ा
like,
मेकअप किया, थोड़ा touch up. उसके बाद
थोड़ा
then
पल्लू
started.
संभाला नहीं. They're just singing while they're boarding. It's just hilarious. It's amazing. And Faris, he's getting in and he's rapping. And then he's getting off and he's continuing to, it's just everything that has been conceptualized and visualized. Mad props. And it just goes to show that when you put your mind to something and the collective energies of everyone involved are so in sync, exactly what Zulfi said at the end, anything is achievable. Beautiful. So yes, right at the end, what they said, that Hamara Mohalla famous ho gaya, and we hope that that fame and that all that thing just brings greater things from their mohalla into the world, and
Totally.
everyone just gets inspired the way we are feeling right now. So yay. Thank you,
And
Coke
I hope
Studio.
now on, even for them, like it really grows. ये तो अभी उनका पहला पड़ाव है और सोचो कोक स्टूडियो से उन्होंने शुरू किया.
Yeah.
So like I hope like they just grow and we get to see more of them.
Yeah, and all the children of their mohalla, they see this and they're like, oh, आगे जाके कितने famous लोग आएंगे वहाँ से. That's all I'm imagining. But yay, props to Coke Studio. It's a blockbuster for more reasons than one. And they've taken a break this week, but we'll see you all next week. 4 गाने बचे हैं. So one more month to
Wow.
go. Thank you for taking the break. We also got to catch up. So yay, chalo. Take care of yourselves. Let us know if we missed anything. I'm sure we missed a lot. But thank you so much for being with us on this journey. And we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.